I came in and I felt comfortable with Melvin right away. Took care of everything for me, was done before he said it would be done.
My business name is Hovees Auto Body and Paint in the city of Chatsworth, California. One of my brothers in church, he had a body shop and he let me work for him, and I like these cars. 20 and some years doing this, and now I love what I do, and now I own this business.
He fixed the bumper. A lot of stuff that you can't see was done. Well, he told me it would be anywhere from 10 days to 2 weeks, and I think it was 9 days, and then made it look really pretty afterwards. The whole car, he detailed the whole car.
We always give the extra mile.
Kept in contact with me, told me what process he was doing, checked in with me to make sure that we were on track if I had any questions, took pictures to show me what was underneath the bumper so I could see the damage that needed to be repaired. So it was great.
Whenever we see that the paint is bad, we just strip it down and we put new foundation, everything new. That's why we offer these warranties, lifetime warranties.
You can trust them. He's not trying to gouge you on the price or do things that aren't necessary.
Me and Johnny right here, the best customer at Hovees.
Thank you so much.
Bye, Johnny. Have a good one, eh?
I'm gonna come by Mom and call you.
Our honesty, our transparency, and our quality of work.